Hi, this is the house in Oyster Landing in Sneaks Ferry. Here is the neighborhood, your homes here. And then let me give you a 360 degree. Okay, let's go in. Okay, we're entering the living room. Here's the kitchen, and behind it is the laundry room that take you to the two-car garage. And then we're heading towards the bedrooms. The first bedroom is my right, then the full bath, and then another at the second bedroom. And here is the master.